right, here we are on the beach. It's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk down the beach towards the resorts. We're on Playa del Carmen Beach, heading towards the hotel zone. The first hotel is the Reef Playa del Carmen.
Water is amazing. More of it. Weird,
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
in a couple of spots.
Oh, the sun is going down. It's 4 o'clock. We got a late start.
Got a little cloud coming over here.
Oh, you know what? There's a sun right there. It's covered by a cloud. I thought the sun was going down. I didn't even look up. This is the Rio Lupita. Right here. Plenty of beach. Wow, we got a little bit of seaweed over here. It's not the sargassum, it's something else. But I'm sure in the morning they rake it up. But it's a hit or miss, because up here ahead there isn't any. Not just that, way out there, man, there's a sandbar. This guy was standing earlier. It was up to his waist. And he's way out there.
Yeah, even if there's coffee out of
Ah, right here at the beach is real nice. Very nice. Ah, somebody built a little sandcastle there. There's a sandbar there. Too far away out there. Somebody's feeding the birds.
That's cool.
Ah, this is an interesting resort. I don't remember this one. They don't have signs out on this side of the beach either.
Looks like you made
I might have to look it up. Oh, there's people way out there too. Look. Must be shallow out there, eh? Well, we made it all the way to the end of the beach where the Sandos Hotel is.
You could take one from both sides. If you do one from this side, you can flip your photo.
Flip my photo, flip the video? Probably could, but
Photo.
I'm taking video. Oh, there's music over here. Okay, keep talking, keep talking. Cameron, keep talking. We gotta cut out the music. The police, or Sting. Sandos, that's a nice photo right there, man. Well, that was a real nice walk. You got a little soccer game going on over here. They're playing football there. They got the volleyball over here. All right, let's head back. Yep. It's very nice. Oh, let me see over here on the thing in the Lifeguard Tower. Is David Hasselhoff up there? What are you dressed in red? Appreciate that.
I'd probably slip it there.
I don't know, I'll ask him. They're flying south.
They're not.
They're flying to Tulum. Hey, Pelicano!
Usually the odd older one too.
Pelicano! Where'd he go?
Watch. No, he missed it. He would have swallowed it by now.
Look at that sandbar over there.
That's all.
They're way out there, up to their
That's
knees.
all the beach is supposed to be doing. You can stand in the water.
Well, let's just see what this water feels like over here.
Salt bath. This is better than any Epsom salt.
I don't know. It's a little chilly for me.
Come on.
It's chilly for me,
80
man.
degrees, man. Come on, Johnny.
Back on 5th, Saturday night. We're gonna try Mexico Loco again. We had 2 attempts. This will be our 3rd. If it doesn't happen, 3 strikes, you're out. So let's see what happens. What's that?
They're selling sausages there. They got all these
Choripan, those $5 sausages are awesome. I'm gonna do that one night.
Teresa knows where she's going. She's gonna go check out Mexican Loco.
Hopefully she does.
She's gonna.
See, well, they got a DJ down here tonight. The lights are out. Normally got normally it's lit up down there. Oh, church. Hey man, we waking up for church tomorrow or what?
Yeah. Where is that?
I like the cathedral one on 12th. 20, is it 20 and 12th?
Uh-huh.
The big white one?
Yeah.
That one's pretty cool, church.
Yeah, it is.
We've been there once. All right, let's see what happens tonight. Tonight. We're being seated. That's so nice. Oh, they sit the bicycles. You ever see anybody ride these, Cameron?
Oh, yeah.
They do?
Yeah, I used it for a couple of years.
Oh, you did? Wow.
It was fun. It was
Oh, they got a lot of cool pictures in this place. I'm gonna have to check them out. Here we are in Mexico Loco. Bam! They got a lot of cool photos throughout the place. Diablo! Hey, hey, Pancho! Cisco! Oh, let's see, there's a big area over here in the back. The woman in love. Hola. Oh, gracias. Check out upstairs. From what I remember, it's pretty cool up here too. They had a band up here last time. Nacho Libre. There's my competition right there, Tony. Taking over my camera work before.
We've been drinking Heineken.
Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Cheers, Cheers gents. Hey, hey, hoppa.
Man, his tray was full. Hoppa.
Salute.
Yeah, salute.
They're gonna make fresh guacamole for us right here. That's right. The best kind. Chop, chop.
Those are some good looking avocados, man. We got some of the best avocados in the world. And I get it from a couple of different farmers that grow for medicinal use, so they're legit. Nice. Nice.
Looks like tomatoes to me. You gonna put garlic in there, onion, or what?
Do it legally too. Onion. Yeah.
Just put onion.
What's that, Natalie?
I need
Onions?
the property to grow it.
You got the onions in there, the tomatoes, the garlic, probably a pinch of salt. What's that? Cilantro.
Cilantro, I
Cool.
think.
I told him to put everything in. He's gonna make it like medium, right?
I'd love to check it out.
Huh?
Yes, puff. Tremendous bread. Marijuana.
Holy guacamole! Hey, here's the final product. Bam, baby! Manja, manja!
Amazing, man.
One of those guys doing climbing that pole over there. What are they gonna do?
You're kidding.
Okay, I got my 5 tacos here, and Darko got his 5 tacos over here. And Sash, what did you get?
Cheese enchiladas.
Cheese enchiladas. Nick?
Cheese and mushroom enchiladas. I can't say.
And Natalie, what did you get?
Chicken enchilada.
All right. Okay, you got the ceviche something over here.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Chicken fingers and
Chicken
fries.
fingers and fries. And Teresa, what did you get?
The sirloin tostada.
The sirloin tostadas. And our Cameron got something over here too.
5 tacos.
He got the 5 tacos. Wow. He screwed that up. Cut the camera too.
Fans. Scary. Hi.
Hello.
Scary. Our fire extinguisher. Our fire extinguisher.
Look at the other camera guy. He's slacking on the job. Okay, Anton, you're taking over again. Okay, it looks like the director gave me a second shot at shooting tonight. And here's the second cameraman. He's got his own camera now. The director gave him his own camera. So I'm taking over again. The director's giving me another chance. All right, folks.
Who's gonna take it?
I ordered the 5 tacos. He's got the chicken wings. Tacos. What is this, Sash?
Cheese platters.
No.
No, cheese
He's
enchiladas.
got cheese
Cheese enchiladas. Cameron got the tacos. Teresa got the what?
I got the sirloin tostada.
Sirloin tostadas. What is this? Cheese sticks or something, or what is it?
Is it chicken or cheese?
chicken fingers.
Chicken fingers. There they are, little chicken fingers.
I got something octopus. I don't know what.
Some octopus, huh?
Ceviche.
Ceviche. And Natalie, what did you get?
Chicken enchiladas.
Chicken enchiladas. And Nick, what did you get?
More enchiladas.
More
Carlos
enchiladas.
is going to take our photo.
And Yablon, what did you have?
Chicken wings and I have chicken I got chicken wings.
You got chicken wings?
Yeah,
Were they good?
Yeah.
Wow, they're all gone. You ate them all, man. Shit.
Yeah, you ate it all.
Real good.
I had chicken wings monster. Okay.
No, this. Get this phone, Tony, right here, phone.
Did you want a couple more of the french fries? Some days, I love days. How they were taken.
This is my second cinematographer right here. He's doing good. You seen right there, me and the cinematographer bump heads. We've been bumping heads. You got the little cute puppy dog is. What, is that your chair?
He didn't want a photo with
Oh, Yablon, is that the one you picked?
Yeah.
All right, that was a good dinner. Now we're gonna head down to the park by the water. Check it out. What you gotta say, huh? What you gotta say? Come on, what you gotta say? Big old smile. All right, we're by the pole those guys were climbing. By the water over here. We got a Mayan ritual over here by the portal. By the Mayan portal. They're transcending into the Mayan portal. Have to go check them out. They added these lights on the beach. It's all lit up now. It used to be pitch dark. I think they left those lights up since they had the volleyball tournament. But this sculpture used to have a lot of lighting on it. At one time it was nicely lit, but I haven't seen them on this trip at all. Oh, don't interrupt the ceremony now. Looks like the chief traded in his youngest daughter for a new iPhone. Man, even the chief has a cell phone. Even the chief has a cell phone. Oh, Tony's scared of these people. He's getting a little too close. He's getting a little too brave. Okay, everybody, that concludes Saturday night here in Playa. See you tomorrow.